Hello beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the most beautiful crochet vlog ideas for ladies and adorable baby dress inspiration for 2026. If you love handmade fashion, soft yarn designs and creative crochet styles, then you are in the right place. Sit comfortably, relax your mind, and enjoy this lovely crochet inspiration. Crochet fashion is not just clothing anymore, it is art, it is comfort, it is beauty made with patience and love. In 2026, crochet dresses are becoming more stylish, elegant, and modern than ever before. From simple frocks for daily wear to luxury handmade dresses for special occasions, crochet is taking over fashion in the most beautiful way. As you watch these designs, notice the different pattern, color combination, and creative stitches used in every dress. Some are simple and classy, while others are bold and eye-catching. One beautiful thing about crochet is that every piece feels unique. No matching can fully copy the love and effort placed in handmade work. Every stitch tells a story. Now let us talk about crochet frog idea for ladies. We are seeing elegant long dresses, stylish short frog, beach-inspired crochet outfit, and soft casio dresses perfect for weekends, holidays, and photo shoot. Some designs use grand square pattern, while others use flower stitches, mesh styles, and layered textures. The creativity is honestly endless. Natural color and still trending in 2025. Color like cream, white, brown, beige, and soft black are giving rich and classy energy, but bright colors are also shining beautifully. Yellow, pink, sky blue, green, and orange are bringing life and happiness into crochet fashion. Imagine wearing handmade cloth dress during sunset and at the beach, the wind blowing softly, the dress moving gently, pure main character energy. And the best part, many of these crochet dresses can be created at home, yes, with patience, practice, and creativity. You can create your own dream cloth outfit. Do not be afraid to try new pattern. Even beginners can start somewhere. Sometimes the first dress may not look perfect, and honestly, that is okay. Every crochet master once struggled with tangled yarn and confusing stitches. The yarn teaches patience before it gives beauty. Now let us look at baby cloth dress inspiration for 2026. Oh my goodness. Baby crochet dresses are becoming too cute now. Tiny handmade frocks with matching shoes, headband, monet, and little flower details are making baby look like little angel. Some baby dresses are designed for birthday, baby showers, church events, photo shoots, and special family moments. Others are soft and comfortable for everyday wear. We are seeing beautiful butterfly-inspired dresses, sunflower themes, princess style, and modern luxury crochet baby clothes. Soft parcel color are very popular for baby crochet in 2026. Light pink, lavender, baby blue, white, peach, and soft yellow create such calm and sweet looks. And let us appreciate the details for a moment. The tiny buttons, the laces edges, the flower decoration, the matching hat and tiny shoes. Crochet artists are real out here creating magic with yarn. Some dresses have layered skirts that make baby look like little doll. Others have simple cream designs that feel soft, classy, and timeless. If you are a crochet lover, this is your sign to keep creating. Your heart can create beauty. Your idea matter. And if you are watching these designs for inspiration, feel free to recreate them in your own style. Add your favorite colors, your favorite stitches, and your own creative touch. That is beauty of crochet. There are no limits. You can create for yourself. You can create for your baby. You can create for business. You can create memories. Many people are now turning crochet into businesses in 2026. Handmade fashion is growing fast because people love unique items. A crochet dress more than fashion, it carries time, care and creativity. And honestly, handmade pieces have a different soul. They feel warm, they feel personal, they feel alive. To everyone learning crochet right now, keep growing, even slowly. Stitches still finish the dress. And to all crochet business owner, creators, and yarn lovers watching this video, your creativity is inspiring the world. Before we finish, tell me in the comments which crochet design did you love the most? Was it the lady frog idea or the adorable baby dress inspiration? Also let me know your favorite color combination for crochet in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet inspiration, handmade fashion idea and beautiful creative designs. And thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, keep shining and keep turning yarn into a magic. See you in the next video. Bye.